Hey guys, my name is Shakur Sounds and this is Sleepless Nights. Mic check. Sleepless nights, I know I told ya about them. I said those sleepless nights, I can't get nowhere without them. Who wants to wake up from a dream? Not me, so I say, why sleep? You can torture yourself if you want, not me. Instead, I'ma make my dreams reality. Reality. I'ma make my dream reality. Woke up mad as fuck, like damn, I can't believe where I am in life. Now this don't feel right, I'm going back to sleep, I'ma close my eyes. I really like it there, it's the only place where I get to wear all the clothes for brotherhood. It's because I shine bright, I'm a star, I'm a star. Yeah, I'm a star, I'm a star. All that stops when I open my eyes. The realization I'm not on vacation. Back to this world that's filled with hatred. The pain comes rushing back. Sleepless nights, I can't get nowhere without them. I said those sleepless nights, I know I told ya about them. Who wants to wake up from a dream? Not me. Why sleep? You can torture yourself if you want, not me. Instead, I'ma make my dream reality. I think too much, I'll really be hurting. Yeah, I think too much, this shit is burning. Because I like it too much, it's become my drug. Yeah, I be doing too much. I swear this dream is my blood. Dream state must be faced on my problem. Dream state must be, dream state must be, dream state must be faced on my problem. Sun up to moon up, I stay up, I'm fed up, I'm always up, I'm always up. I stay up, I'm always up, I'm always up. I just wanna be happy, I just wanna be, I just wanna, is that too much to ask for? Too much to ask for. Sleepless nights, I know I told you about them. I know I told you about them. I guess you gotta go and grab that shit yourself.